Guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys a tutorial on how to make a Lego Minecraft shulker. Now the original design is right here. It can open up like always in the game. There is a mini box inside that will just click right on here. And the separate part as well can go under here, and this is pretty much the whole figure. Okay, so now on to the custom version. So what you will need is this helmet piece. As you can see, it is the same color as the original. So you want to take two of them, then interlock them like that. Like that. And now that's pretty much the outside. So what's interesting is Lego actually gave us some extra pieces and another one. This is the printed one, so you can put this on top, the 1x1 tile on top. Then there's no connection inside, but we can just place one of them inside, then cover it up with the other one, and there you have it. Now the shulkers, I couldn't find a better alternative other than these helmet pieces because they work really well, and the smaller tan cube can fit inside of them. So it's a very good alternative. If you don't have those, I suggest using the lavender plates and tiles. And for the head, there's actually a Steve head. It's a very old 1x1 plate that will work just as well, but I prefer this one since I have an extra. Also, if you're wondering where I got this figure from, it's not off of Bricklink. I actually did a video when I reviewed the End Arena set, which is currently the only set that this figure comes in. So make sure to check out that video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So yeah, thank you for watching. Have a great day.